Chevy is charging into the future, and literally. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV isn't just another electric truck. It's a bold leap with power, tech, and serious style. Stick around as we break down everything from design to performance here in this 5-minute deep dive. Let's start with the basics. The 2026 Silverado EV is an all-electric full-size pickup based on GM's Ultium platform, the same one used in the Hummer EV. It comes in multiple trims like the Weight, Work Truck, RST, and Trail Boss. Depending on the variant, you can get up to 754 horsepower, 785 pounds-feet of torque, and a max range of 450 miles on a single charge, towing up to 10,000 pounds, with the future version targeting 20,000. Chevy didn't just electrify the engine, they reimagined the whole design. The Silverado EV features a sleek, futuristic front end, full-width LED lighting, and an aggressive stance that's more aerodynamic than any gas-powered Silverado before. The closed-off grille, massive 24-inch wheels on the RST trim, and the signature A-flying buttress C-pillar give it unmistakable road presence. Oh, and don't miss that power-operated front trunk, a game-changer for storage. Step inside, and it's a tech lover's dream. You get a 17-inch freeform infotainment screen, an 11-inch driver display, and even a head-up display on the RST. The cabin feels futuristic yet practically spacious, quiet, and smartly designed. It seats 5 comfortably, and with the multi-flex midget, you can extend the bed into the cabin to fit items over 10 feet long. Plus, with premium materials in the flat floor layout, it feels like a modern lounge on wheels. Ride quality, smooth as butter, thanks to the independent rear suspension and optional adaptive air ride. The Silverado EV absorbs bumps like a luxury SUV. Whether you're cruising on the highway or hitting trails, it stays remarkably composed. Heated unventilated seats, a panoramic roof, wireless charging, and tons of legroom make it a seriously comfortable place to be, especially on longer hauls. Let's talk performance here. This is where the Silverado EV shines. The RST model rockets from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds thanks to the wide-open Watts mode. You've also got 4-wheel steering, reg and braking with 1-pedal drive, and available off-road modes. The battery supports 350 kilowatts fast charging, adding up to 100 miles in just 10 minutes. That's work and play ready. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV proves that electric trucks aren't just about going green, they're about going bold, fast, and smart. With jaw-dropping power, futuristic design, and everyday utility, it's more than just a truck, it's the future of American pickups. Would you pick this over the Cybertruck or F-150 Lightning? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car reviews and first looks every week.